Hey there, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the world of online privacy with an open source YouTube app that's designed to put your data security first. Say hello to FreeTube, a privacy-focused YouTube player built for Linux users. In an era where our personal information is more valuable than ever, FreeTube is here to give you a seamless YouTube experience without sacrificing your privacy. Let's explore its features and how it could revolutionize the way you enjoy online content. In the age of digital innovation, keeping your online interactions private has become a top priority. Enter FreeTube, an open-source YouTube app that's all about ensuring your privacy while you indulge in your favorite videos. Crafted using Electron, this desktop app brings YouTube straight to your Linux environment, without any of the tracking baggage. Imagine a YouTube experience free from pesky ads. FreeTube brings this dream to life, letting you enjoy your content without being bombarded by intrusive advertisements. Worried about your YouTube subscriptions and history being stored who knows where? With FreeTube, your data stays local, ensuring that your viewing habits are for your eyes only. In the battle against online tracking, FreeTube is your ally. It shields your viewing patterns from prying eyes, putting you back in control. Transitioning to FreeTube is a breeze. Its interface closely mirrors YouTube's layout, so you won't miss a beat when making the switch. The beauty of open source. FreeTube's transparent code provides you with peace of mind that proprietary apps just can't match. No need to rebuild from scratch. FreeTube allows you to seamlessly import your existing YouTube subscriptions, connecting you with your favorite creators right away. Whether you are on Linux, Windows, or Mac, FreeTube's got you covered. It's designed to work seamlessly across these platforms. Inclusivity is key. FreeTube supports multiple languages, ensuring that it caters to a diverse global audience. For all the details, head over to the official download page, which we'll link in the description below. While FreeTube is your gateway to enhanced privacy, remember that it's currently in beta. You might come across a glitch or two, and some users might experience slight performance lags typical of Electron-based apps. But despite these minor hiccups, FreeTube's commitment to your privacy is crystal clear. So, if safeguarding your data while enjoying YouTube content sounds like a win-win to you, FreeTube might just be your new best friend. And that wraps up our exploration of FreeTube, a privacy-centric YouTube app that's turning heads in the Linux community. If you are excited about reclaiming your online privacy, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay safe, stay private, and happy browsing.